Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you an exciting journey on how you can become fluent in English in just 1 month. Yes, you heard it right. With the right strategies and dedication, it's absolutely possible. So, let's dive in.
Segment 1. Setting clear goals.
The first step in your journey to English fluency is setting clear and achievable goals. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Is it for career advancement, travel, or personal growth? Set specific, measurable, and realistic goals to keep you motivated throughout your journey. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is fluency in a language. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks, such as learning vocabulary, improving pronunciation, and practicing speaking.
Segment 2. Immersion.
Immersion is key to rapid language acquisition. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read English books. The more exposure you have to the language, the faster you'll learn. Try to think in English, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. This will help train your brain to process thoughts in English, leading to quicker fluency.
Segment 3. Consistent practice.
Consistency is crucial when it comes to language learning. Make English a part of your daily routine. Set aside dedicated time each day for practice, whether it's listening to podcasts during your commute, practicing grammar exercises, or chatting with native speakers online.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an essential part of the learning process. Embrace them and use them as opportunities to improve.
Segment 4. Utilizing resources.
There are countless resources available to help you learn English efficiently. From online courses and language apps to textbooks and language exchange programs, take advantage of the resources that best suit your learning style. Find what works for you, and don't be afraid to. Experiment with different methods until you find the right fit. Remember, the journey to fluency is unique for everyone.
Segment 5. Seeking feedback and correction.
Feedback is essential for improvement. Seek out opportunities to practice your English with native speakers and language instructors. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback and correction. It's the only way to identify and correct mistakes. Whether it's through language exchange meetups, online forums, or language learning communities, surround yourself with people who can help you grow and improve.